Ready na kayo sa Final Four, coach?
Okay. Well, I'm so proud of my boys. Tremendous effort. Was that 2 days ago? I told the boys that FEU, they were saying in the newspaper that they're prepared, magiging preparado sila sa press namin. But the way I look at it kanina, they look so scared. Every time they bring down the ball, parang hirap na hirap. So challenge ko yung mga bata. So tremendous effort talaga ang pinakita ng mga bata.
What do you think, na-pressure sila na,
I think that's one factor also. But, I mean, the boys really played well. Just like what I told last time, ang FEU right now, they look struggling. They're not that usual sharp. And yung boys ko naman, we're going up right now. Yung pick namin, tama-tama. Liagas, and then we made some stops nung huli, especially si Rafi Reyes.
That's the best word that you're picking like on the right time.
May effect ba yung muntik na kayo matalo sa UST?
Yun nga ina-analyze namin. I mean, nag-discussion kami ng coaching staff what really happened ng game na yun. Yung 36 minutes we played, maganda yung nilaro namin, but in the last 4 minutes medyo naging tentative kami because nag-ingat, nag-slow down kami. We're a team na hindi kami pwedeng slow down. Gusto namin yung aggressive talaga. And maganda, this is our first, I think, tatlong sunod. I think ngayon lang yata kami nakatatlong sunod na panalo. So I'm very happy with the way we're playing. Maganda itong pagkapanalo nito, madadala namin sa finals. Final Four, excuse me. Final Four. Ateneo. Hindi pa namin pinag-aandaan ng Ateneo kasi
Uniform na, Peter. Where you have been?
Ateneo. Hindi pa namin pinag-uusapan ng Ateneo. Kamukha nung tinanong ako na regarding sa game ngayon FEU, sa Ateneo, sabi ko hindi pa namin. We're preparing talaga sa FEU. And yun, maganda, nanalo kami. It showed na yung last game namin, sana nanalo kami. Tapos na yun.